Hello lovely people, I am back again with yet another interesting topic on Tutorials Point, and that is fun family idioms in English. Well, don't you think it is really amazing to sort of improvise and refine your language by learning different words every day? It definitely is, and it really enhances your vocabulary. And if you go ahead and just sit with a list of words with the endeavor of improvising your language, well, you won't be able to. So the best way to upskill, to upgrade your vocabulary, or to better or to refine your language is to learn in fun-filled ways. So which is exactly why fun-filled family idioms are something that we're going to learn today in this video. Well, you all are most welcome to Tutorials Point. Let's get started. Okay, spitting image. So what is a spitting image, or be a spitting image? Well, spitting image actually means to be just a carbon copy of your your parent. So she is a spitting image of her mother, which means that she exactly looks like her mother, right? So it's just so easy to immediately find out, or it is so easy to understand that yes, she or he is his or her son or daughter, whatever, right? So when you look very similar to your to whomever you compare yourself to, that is when you are that person's spitting image. And I'm sure you definitely might have come across people who are spitting images of each other. So next time you happen to see them, well then do call them out as spitting images of each other. Okay, accident of birth. What is an accident of birth? Well, definitely birth is definitely not an accident. Nobody's birth is an accident for sure. But yeah, accident of birth is again another phrase or idiom which is used to sort of indicate that it is something which I have inherited from my family, right? It's not self-created or something. Yes, I have received, or I have inherited that legacy, right? So that is what is meant by accident of birth. So luck in something due to family good fortune. So it is because of my family that I have inherited this entire business. That is when it will be called as an accident of birth. Let's look at an example. Yes, he became company vice president when he was only 23, but that's an accident of birth. His father is one of the major stockholders. Well, yes, there are people who happen to sort of excel in their career or reach at the top level in business, in their business, by accident of birth, or they happen to step up the ladder in their career by accident of birth. So well, if you happen to see such people, this is the right phrase to use for them. Blue blood. Well, what is blue blood? Of course, all human beings have red colored blood, but yes, blue blood is yet another phrase which actually means sort of a royal blood, or when you belong to a royal family, or if you belong to a family of aristocrats, that is when you happen to carry blue blood in you. So, well, the blue bloods generally keep to themselves, but a charity dance is a good place to see them dress up. So, blue blood is when you belong to a royal lineage, right? So, that is when you happen to have a blue blood. Flesh and blood. Well, what is flesh and blood? Literally, flesh and blood. Yes, we all have flesh and blood in our body, but yes, this phrase indicates your blood relatives or your family, right? So that is what is meant by flesh and blood. So all these together form my flesh and blood. So it's like close-knit family, or your first family is what is referred to as, or someone, or your close relatives are referred to as your flesh and blood. So let's look at an example. When all is said and done, few people understand you like your own flesh and blood, even if you don't get along with them. So, I mean, having your flesh and blood, I mean, it is extremely a blessing, right? It is really a blessing to have your own flesh and blood. So you definitely are blessed if you have your flesh and blood. Helicopter parenting, oh, not the best place to be in. So when your parents are way too possessive, overprotective, over caring about you, I mean, over pampering, that is when it is, sort of that sort of parenting is called as helicopter parenting, right? So the trends these days is towards helicopter parenting. When I was young, children had much more independence, and I think it helped them, right? So I mean, a situation wherein you are being overtly checked by your parents and they are being way too protective about you, that is when they are practicing helicopter parenting, and it might as well irritate you sometimes. So not the best situation to be in. Kitten Kin. Well, Kitten Kin is yet another phrase which is used for family, right? So when you go on a trip, it is important to buy souvenirs for your Kitten Kin back home. Well, Kitten Kin is, again, it means your family. So yes, a different way to use this word. Definitely the meaning remains the same. Okay, run in the family. Well, it is yet another idiom which sort of indicates, or it means that there is something which your family, or which your, since many generations, everyone has inherited, and that is something which you also have inherited. So that is something that runs in the family. Well, it could be a talent as well. For example, maybe, politics runs in his family. So it's like there have been many generations in his or her family who've been in politics for quite some time, and he or she also has inherited the knack for the same. That is when something runs in your family. That is what it means. Let's look at an example. I'm not surprised Maria has started playing in a band. Musical talent runs in our family. Well, yes, you as well, you might want to find out, even you might have inherited something that runs in your family. Definitely a good idea to find out. Well, all of these idioms which some way or the other are related to your family definitely are a great thing to learn and of course use in your daily language. Well, I will see you again in the next video. Till that time, keep learning with Tutorials Point and Tutorix. Have a good day.